The establishment of CSIR-Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research took place following the amalgamation of the central expertise of both the Central Fuel Research Institute and the Central Mining Research Institute, along with their regional centers situated in Nagpur, Bilaspur, Roorkee, Ranchi, and Raniganj. CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research has concentrated its R&D endeavors on the subsequent focal areas, namely clean coal technologies and uses of transformed version of coal with syngas, methanol, liquid petrol results in minimal carbon emission. CSIR CIMFR has developed and installed an indigenous 1.5 TPD oxyblown PFBG pilot plant and established gasification of high-ash Indian coal under the aegis of Niti Aayog. The syngas generated from PFBG pilot plant is suitable for various downstream applications. Further, to generate the methanol from syngas, the Institute has achieved expertise in the area of catalysts and process development at bench scale level for downstream modules including syngas microcleaning, water gas shift reaction, CO2 capture, and syngas to methanol, and other chemicals. Conversion of inferior coal to high-energy coal coke through beneficiation by recovery of carbon values from carbonaceous and washery tailings and reducing the environmental pollution by treating the coal slurry tailings by beneficiation and creating value-added product. Developed cost-effective technologies to make domestic coal useful to steel plants. In this direction, the Institute has developed a non-recovery type heat recovery coke making technology with stamp charging and coke quenching which can accommodate Indian coals with inferior coking properties. The technology has been commercialized and transferred to Kudremukh Iron Ore Company Limited, Mangalore for 0.18 MTPA coke production, and Institute is also getting royalty. The technology has also been transferred to 20 more different companies in last 2 years. Several indigenous guidelines, norms, formulations, mining methods developed by the Institute are being widely used by the Indian mining industry for the underground extraction of coal and metalliferous deposits under different geomining conditions to increase production, productivity and safety of underground mines. Study is being carried out for development of coal mine methane resource, methane emission inventory and emission factor for coal mine and oil and gas sector. The development of infrastructure sector is considered as a precursor in boosting the economy of a country. Accordingly, the Institute has developed a specialized controlled blasting technique for safe and efficient rock excavation works in metro rail projects, highways, railways, hydraulic tunnels and land development for construction of airports. The developed technique is capable of dealing with many site-specific constraints such as blasting in the close proximity to the house's structures, blasting for slope stabilization, directional controlled blasting with minimal blasting hazards. The strategically important border roads of the Indochina and Indo-Pak borders in ecologically fragile hilly terrain have been completed with a faster and safer way with the intervention of CSIR CIMFR developed controlled blasting techniques, which has been acknowledged by the Border Roads Organization. Waste to wealth creation by utilizing mill tailing and slag for paste backfilling in underground metalliferous mines, it would be great benefit to the entire mining, mineral processing and metallurgical industries.